Alright, Canadian Farmer here. We're gonna go plant some peas today or tomorrow. We're gonna make the call. Talking about rain today, so I'm just trying to get things prepped so when it is go time we can just go. Put diesel in this tractor. We gotta go empty the seeder out, get it cleaned out, put peas in it. I'm gonna go check some fields. I still got corn to plant. There's a lot going on today. My wife's working, so I got the two munchkins. He's actually holding the camera right now. Clean the air seeder out. We've got beans in it still, and now we're going to switch to peas, so we got to make sure the tank's clean. Going to get the air seeder and the 7710 kind of spruced up here. There's only a 50% chance today of rain from noon till 3, so we're just going to wait that out because you want to plant your peas all in one shot. If you do it in stages, they'll have uneven emergence, and one day is a big deal for them for the tenderometer and all that, the quality of them apparently and how they get picked. So it's just better to do it all in one shot, so we're just gonna wait. Okay, well they're cleaning out the air seeder. I'm gonna go rinse the sprayer out. I spraying corn last, so the product that I use to spray corn will kill peas. So I gotta make sure the sprayer is rinsed out completely or I could damage that crop that we're gonna plant next. What does it mean when I rinse the sprayer out? Well, it means I put just straight water through the sprayer. I like to rinse out about 3 times, that I know there's no product in there that would affect the next crop. It should just be strictly water now, and then I will fill up again with water and put the proper product in to go spray the peas. Okay, here we are, rinsing the tank out. This is number 3. You can see we're just driving between the rows of corn. We're not actually running any over. That's the 3rd rinse, like I just said. So that's just water. There's no product in there. So now we go spray the beans or the peas. I don't have to worry about the product that I was spraying on the corn killing the peas, because that would be bad. Diesel. All right. Sprayer rinsed out. Water in it. Tractor washed. Interior clean. Diesel. It's gonna be had. This thing is ready to go. Hopefully for tomorrow night-ish. Things just got busy. The weather is looking like it's probably not gonna rain today, so I'm gonna go start working the dirt. Owen's just gonna wait out a little bit because I got nothing to lose to start working. If I get rained out, no big deal. Then I'm gonna go work the other farms and then hopefully get some corn in the ground. Woo! Here we go again. It is so much quicker though, just planting right into something than work it, then plant it. Anyways. Well, Mother Nature, you're doing it again to me. A little bit of rain. Not enough to stop yet though, but doesn't look great out there. Looks good over there. A little dark there. Son of a. Well, and there she is. We're hooped now for the day. Son of a. That just sucks. The big gahoonies. Hopefully we don't get much. We'll see. Let's make it to the end here and shut her down, I guess. Here I thought it was going to be an okay day. You know, Mother Nature, you got me again. Let's get out of here. It's Friday. You know what that means. Yeah, she's just raining. cats and dogs now. Holy moly. Oh, it's go time finally for the peas. All right, that was a serious day. We got peas in. I tried planting corn. It didn't work out. I wasn't happy with how it was closing, but it should be go time tomorrow. That clay, it's so finicky, and we got rain coming the next couple days, so I really want to get it in.